On a nice summer night, nothing beats sleeping outside. Or in a van that's got mosquito netting. Here's something we've done, and we take this on all of our road trips. Got some mosquito netting that's secured all the way around with a cord around the bottom of the bumper with a bungee, so everything's kept tight. No bugs get in, and with the hatch open and the side windows open with bug screens also, we get all the night sounds, we get nice breezes. If it rains, the netting catches it and it just drains down the side. We've even slept through a thunderstorm where no water got inside. It just dripped out on the sides, and it was kind of exciting. It was kind of fun. So I'm going to show you how to do this real easily. The materials are going to be described in the description below, and materials cost for what you need comes to about 20 bucks, a little more, but it's real cheap and anyone can do it. Here's how I did it. All you need are 4 items. The first thing is this mosquito netting for a bed. It's large enough to cover over the entire hatch and hang down to be secured. Just some rope. This is just 3/16 inch polypropylene rope. A bungee, doesn't have to be big, it's not a lot of force. And a couple of S-hooks. First, toss the cord over the top, tie a loop on the end so you can hook the S-clip to it, and then pull it taut back over the top to the other side. Put the other end through an S-clip, pull it around the bumper, and now you want to put the bungee on and pull the cord through on the bungee to get the length you need to cut off. And then tie a loop on the other end, and you're all set. Next step, get ready with the netting. Toss it over the top. Spend a minute to even it out. Then reinstall the cord you previously made. Tuck in all the loose ends until the gaps are tight. To reverse, just pull everything off. Everything will fit into a nice little stuff sack. It's easy to throw it in the car and bring it with you all the time. So give it a try. I think you'll like it. Well, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I hope you found this useful, and we'll see you next time.